Today we're going to learn back bends, and we're going to do them in a progression. So we'll start a little bit basic to mid-basic to maybe a little advanced and more advanced. So join me and let's get to the wall and do our back bends. I'm Nora Day. Come on to your mat. I want you to lay on your back, and I want to take the crown of the head so it's touching the wall. So I come all the way back. I'm going to scoot back. You're going to think it's too far, but it's not. Crown of my head is touching the wall. Just for alignment issues, I can take a sneak peek, and I can see that the outer edge of my foot is around the outer edge of my hips and my butt. That's about where I want everything lined up on my feet. So I'm in a neutral zone. I'm totally neutral. Nothing is wagging out. Everything's pulling into midline. Crown of the head is on the wall. Press into those feet and lift. Again, everybody must think midline. My knees aren't splaying. Knees wrap around. Outer hips wrap around to midline, and I'm holding. Ideally, the best you can, toes face straight ahead. Can already feel those inner thighs engaged and working, and I come on down. Taking it to the next level, I take my hands, and the back of my hands, right here, right below my wrists here, right here is on the wall. See? Hands flat on the earth. I'm right up against the wall. Crown of the head and hands on the wall. I want you to lift your bum this way. Now I want you to lift up so much that the crown of your head comes there. I can see my elbows. Are your elbows way out here? Bring them into midline. I'm still holding with my legs. Hold with your legs. Hold with your legs. Keep holding with your legs. Inner thighs come center point. Elbows come center point. To release this, lift, press down on your hands. Back of your head on the floor, come on down. I'm already going to the next level here. Everything is the same. Parallel feet. Get those backs of your wrists on the wall. Head is on the wall. Press down enough that I can get the crown of the head right on the mat. Look at your elbows and press straight up. See, I can look at my hands. Again, no splayed knees. Bring them into midline. So I'm really using the wall. I'm thinking that I could press my chin and my chest to the wall. The way to do that is through my legs. Act like you could straighten your legs. Breathing. Breathing. To come down, bend those knees. Bend your elbows. Tuck your chin. Back of your head on the mat and come on down. We got one more step, everybody. Same feet, same hands. Press up to the crown of your head. Press down with those hands. Press up. Act like you could straighten your legs. Take a tiny step closer into the wall. Step in. Step in. Lift up off those heels. Left foot to center point. Right knee to chest. Right leg up. Use the wall. Press into the wall with those arms. Bend the right knee. Lower right knee. Right foot steps to center point. Left knee to chest. Left leg straight. Oh, go into that wall. Woo. Bend the left knee. Both feet down. Walk it away. Heels are flat, same progression. Bend the knees, bend the elbows, crown of the head, and then touch into heart, and you're all the way down. Woo! Back bends are stimulating and exhilarating. They wake up your nervous system, wake up the brain, and they give you that flexibility in your spine. Do these progressions, and you'll be stronger, more alert, more aware, and you'll have an amazing, wonderful yoga practice. Bye, you guys.